Monopoly Go not open and not working problem solve. Hello everyone, I'm Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If your Monopoly Go application is not working, then go ahead and follow these steps. Launch the settings application on your device first. Here tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Monopoly Go option and tap on that. You will see the option for Offload App. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data safe. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will fix the app further. See if the application is fixed or not. If not, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Monopoly Go application. You will see the option for Remove App. Tap on that and then tap on Delete App. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete. Once the app is deleted, go to the App Store and search for Monopoly Go and reinstall the app again. Once the app is installed again, launch the application again and your problem will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.